Hey guys, Richard Butler here, and I want to go through a series of tutorials about this new system called Eyeslick.com. Now, Eyeslick, in case you haven't heard, is the latest platform to integrate video and e-commerce together. And this is something that Cindy Donovan, the owner of Eyeslick, has called VTail, video retail. So it allows you to sell from the platform. Now, this is quite an intense platform because not only can you host your own videos, but you can also sell your videos or you can sell your time, because as you'll see on screen, there's an option here to accept calls. And what I can actually do is I can accept calls from people, and they will then I will then get paid on a per minute basis. So this is a brand new channel that I've set up, and you can see that there's not a lot. First of all, there's not a lot on it, and second of all, channel 903.080.4050 or whatever it is isn't really that interesting a name. So I'm going to show you how to set up your channel. So first thing I would do is I'd go into my profile settings. I could fill in my first name, my last name. I could fill in my contact details here and my payment info here so that I can get paid. And then what I would do is I would go back into profile settings and I'll choose save there. Now for my channel settings here, what I want to do is I want to change the name of my channel, and I can change the name of my channel once. So I'm going to call this Richard Butler Trainer. Okay, confirm channel name. So channel name can be changed only once, and I confirm that, and I confirm. So that becomes my new address. When I refresh this, you see the new channel name actually comes up here. So let me just go into channel settings again. So here I need to think of a channel name. So I'm going to call this the training channel. Okay, and I'm going to fill in some details here. So that is my this is my description of the channel. I can obviously add to that. The channel industry is going to be education. And the channel category, I'm going to say, well, information technology. I'm also going to say, well, it could be science. And I'm also going to say communication skills. Now, exclusive call price. If I want people to call me to help out, because I'm a trainer, so they might say, well, can you train me on doing something? I'm going to say I'm going to charge $2 per minute. Now, if I want to broadcast, or if I want to have a regular broadcast, so this is Richard's training channel, I'm coming to you live every week, I can actually set it up here. So I click on save here, and that is my channel saved. Now, I can also put in a profile picture here. So I'm going to upload avatar, and I'm going to select an image from my system. Yeah, that's the image I want. I'm going to choose this, and it's going to upload, and I'm going to save that. So that becomes my avatar. Again, the more you put in there, the better it looks, because otherwise it's a bit bare. Now, what else can I do with my channel setting? Okay, I think I have everything done there. This is the URL that I would share with people. So what I can now do is I can start to import videos. So let me just go over to YouTube for a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import a video here. So what I would do is I would go to YouTube. I would go into my YouTube studio here, and I'm going to select a video that I want to import. So I just go to my videos here, and the first video that I'm going to import is my Eyeslick review. So what I would do is I would click on options here. I would say get shareable link. I then go back in here to Eyeslick. I go my channel, and I say new video. I submit video link. Now this is what I love about Eyeslick. Watch this. I put in the link here for YouTube. I just tab into the next area here, and it automatically imports the video description. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight my affiliate link, and I'm going to go down to video overlay buttons, and I'm going to say I want this to open up more info, which is basically it'll open up the sales page. So I click on more info, and I paste in that affiliate link, and I click on save. Now as I do more actions, my experience level will go up. Now, this is the intro video. The very first video that you have is the intro video, so it's probably a good idea to have an introduction to the channel, like, hi, this is Richard Butler, this is what I'm going to be providing. Now, if I go back here to my to the home button, I can look at my partners here, and I can see how many invites I've given and how many are left. So to invite a partner, I can do two things. I can either copy this and send it to the person, or I can put their email address in here and then send them to eyeslick.com. They will enter in their email address in the form that appears, and it will search to see if there's an invite, and then it will find their email address, it will tie it down to me, and then I get all the information here. So that's extremely useful there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import another video. So I'm going to import an interview here that I did with a guy called Reed Florin, who is a good friend. And if I just go here, I'm going to take that link there. I'm going to go back to my channel here and say new video. I'm going to put that in there. I'm just going to get rid of that. This will come up. So this is a great video where Reed Florin talks about his success. Okay, and I click on save, and that is now imported there. So I now have, if I refresh, you'll see my experience points have gone up. So that's the very basics of Eyeslick. Really easy to use. I think it's really interesting platform. I think there's a lot that's going to happen here. I have 960 experience points here, and I think this is something that you should get in on if you haven't. Now, if you're not already a member of Eyeslick, you should see that there's a little option on the page to say more info, and you should be able to actually just click on that, and that will send you to the Eyeslick page. This is Richard Butler. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the focus icon, and I'll talk to you in the next video.